Hi guys, welcome to this session in Google Docs. In this module, I want to show you how you can create a table of contents in a document. So first of all, I'm going to do a couple of titles. So if I want to use the table of contents feature, I have to use heading styles. So where it says normal here, if you drop the arrow down, you've got these different headings, different styles of headings and options to go into more headings, but I'm going to pick this one, heading 1, and then if I type the word introduction for this one, you can see how this works. I'm going to press enter. I've got some text copied, so I'll just paste that in there, and then let's say I want to break this down a little more. So if I go there, phase 1, I'll just highlight that phase 1 and go to normal and select heading 2. So that's now heading 2, that's heading 1. If you highlight it, you can see that there's a style there with spacing before and after, as there is with that one. I'll just do one more. So call this one phase 2. Phase 2, highlight it, change the style to whichever one you want, heading 2 again. And now I've got 3 elements with heading styles. If I press enter on the top one and just come above that, this is where I want the table of contents to be. So to do that, you go into Insert, and down the bottom there you've got Table of Contents with a few layout options. I'm just going to go for the first one so you can see what happens. And then you get the Table of Contents sitting there. Now everything's on page 1, which is great. But if I sort of knock this one onto page 2, if I just come down a bit, not that far, but I'm onto page 2. So now this needs to update, and it isn't. If I click on that and refresh, that's now telling me that's on page 2, which is great. So it's easy to update. Now over on the left hand side of the screen, you've got this little icon, and if I open that up, you'll get the structure of the document. If I click on phase 2, it will just jump to phase 2 wherever that is in the document, and phase 1, and then introduction. So you can quickly navigate around a document if you've used heading styles and you activate this document tabs area of the screen. Just minimize that out of the way. Now, if you want to get rid of this, if I click on this, you can actually go onto these ellipses, click on there, and remove the table of contents. If I click on that, there you go, it's gone. If you want to bring it back again, you just do the reverse, come back into it. I'll just pick a different style this time, so you can see that one. I like that one better. But again, if you make things go into second, third pages and things like that, so I've done that now. These not need to be updated, refresh, and then it's updated them like so. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can create your own little table of contents, have it automatically update when you move things around, and navigate through your document by clicking on the headings, the heading styles that you've used. So hopefully that video was of use. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you on the next one.